Although the sky looks good, it was too windy to put Beryl up, so John decided on a recce.
Okay, let's see what's down here then. Place called Performance. UKFM warehousing on the right. Belvedere Industrial Estate main entrance, but I might have a look on the way back. Have a look up here. A lot of places to let. This is now Mulberry Way. Let's have a look. See what Mulberry Way is all about. Place called IKRA, I-K-R-A Logistics. We've got Serco on the right. I see Ocado straight on. Interesting. Okay, let's have a look down Church Manor Way. I wouldn't mind doing Ocado sometime, but we need somewhere to take some decent camera work from. And also, getting the drone up wouldn't be a problem, but I think some camera video work might be difficult. We've got Tesco on the left. I'm presuming it's a distribution. Well, I don't know if this is Ocado. It doesn't say, we're not allowed in. There's no pedestrian access, so let's have a look. This is Ocado. Okay, well, we're not going to get far here, are we? Okay. guess this is their land from this gate. So, not going to get far. Tesco's over to our left. Well, there's a sign over there saying hello, so I presume that's their reception. It'd be worth going in there, wouldn't it? But what about that old building, eh? Some old building. Yeah, I don't know what the Tesco's about. But we're back to Ocado. It's the private gates again. Be good to get the drone up, no problem, but there's not a lot of video in from the outside. Burger van. Interesting looking place. Definitely an interesting looking place for videos. Have a quick look. So, how about this place then? ADM Erith Limited. What do you think of that? It looks like it's 1,379 days since the last accident. Look at that place, eh? Oh, we're not going to have any trouble getting any video from there. And drone footage over to my left now, opposite the entrance on some grass. Brilliant, love this place, love it. Have a little look further down, let these cars come. Crazy place, love it, love it, love it, love it. I'll tell you what, this place Belvedere, it doesn't stop giving, does it? We've got a place here called Clever Touch, Sahara. We got Conmore edible oils, or EOL edible oils. Sandmore House. Oh, we've got this big one there. It doesn't say what it is. That must be the back of a car though. Here is the logistics hub. What we got up here? More Ocado. There's a gate there, but gates don't mean much if they're open, do they? There's a closed one. Not much up there. I'm getting lost here really. Is that another Ocado on the right there? Yeah. Delivery, staff parking, visitor parking off to the right, so yes. More Ocado. Let's have a look down here, see where we are now. I think we'll go back. This is Churchman Away again. I think we missed a couple of roads that we didn't turn down, not many, but maybe one. We had a choice. ADM, eh? Now, we didn't go up there, did we? It's got a lorry parked. You can't see this, can you? I don't think you can see that. But see that there? I don't know what it is. I reckon it's where they bury the auditors once they catch them. Tesco.com, hello. That's what it says, hello. And on this side, Ocado, but bad, not good photography. Tesco might be okay, because you're videoing the car park, which will upset a few of them. We went up that one, we've been up that one, there's Tesco. Right, well, we're back at TSL. TSL, known as Asda's second distribution centre. So we'll just have a little look. Can't see him in there. Doesn't seem to be any security. But he might be asleep. Don't know if there's anyone in there or not. Well, I don't think it's worth getting the drone up when the place isn't working. It's all shut down. So I think we'll have to wait till next week. I think it'd be a waste, wouldn't it? Right. I'm going to have a look at the secret police station, but I don't suppose that'll be doing anything either. I suspect they'll be all shut. Again, can't see these being much. Don't know. You never know what they're like when their doors and that are open, do you? You know, they open the shutters and you can see inside, and you never know. Now, where did we come from here? Conway Estate. I think we came from there and we turned left. I don't think we went up this way. Prime Amazon, aye aye. Have we found another Amazon unit? Could be. Better follow them, just in case. I wonder if this is the Crabtree place, because, oh yeah, because Amazon's here, isn't it? Not far. Crabtree, because the see the gypsy place is there. No, they've gone past Crabtree, gone past there, gone down Anderson Way, which is on the way out. Yeah, interesting that was. Very interesting. Got a waste disposal place there, but I suppose it might be alright with the drone. Let's have a look. We'll poke our nose into the front gates. I've seen it before, just as you turn into Anderson, but without the drone you're not going to see much. So let's have a look in here. It says waste. Yeah. I don't know what sort of waste it is, just recycling London's waste. It's called Westminster waste. Yeah. Let's be back in another time. There might be a reception over there, so it might get us through the front door. Okay, let's have a what's that? There's one more place I've just seen over there. Can't see what that is. Let's have a look. That's more waste. Well, it said Westminster. Oh no, they've got the Westminster waste thingy. This is Dean Transport. Don't know what they do. Yeah. Okay. And of course, there's one of the two, I think it's two Asdas, might be three.
John thanks you for watching the video, and if you did enjoy it, he asks that you might subscribe, like and share if you want to. Because of poor weather, Beryl the Peril didn't get to fly again, and so he awaits the sun to come out. If you are local to the area, John would love to hear from you with some tips of where to go next. He has purposely put together this video to ring some bells. It's ciao from him, and he says he hopes to see you on the next one.